So we have this fab frog from IntoResin, and I want to know, or I want to show, what the difference is between a straight pour and a pressure pot.
Ooh.
I know, it's very exciting.
Let's have a look-see.
Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So the first thing that I need to do is put some eyes into the frog. It's been a while since I've done this.
Yes.
As you will see. Now I take two out, I put two little lines on the back, and then something happens and I don't know what, but...
I don't think I put that in.
Oh, did you not?
No.
I actually stuck one to myself. Oh, very funny. Yes, I didn't realise I was quite out of shot, because this needs quite a bit of delicate handwork, which my camera wasn't able to detect.
Is that what it was?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
no.
but luckily I do realise and come forward and go, this is how you do it. So I've put a drop into one of the crystal...
Drop of UV?
Yeah, one of the crystal...
Eyes?
Well,
recesses.
Recesses, because they're not really eye slots, if that makes sense. Like on a normal...
Are they not?
No.
I haven't really noticed.
Well, no, because you didn't put eyes in yours.
No.
So, but I wanted to see if I could do this and put eyes in. So I...
So you put some eyes in?
I put some eyes in.
Okay.
And then I stuck the torch behind it for quite some time.
You are not 100% sure that they're in the right place?
No, I am not.
Okay.
So what I wanted to do with this one is try and make the two pours as uniform as possible, bearing in mind I've only got one of the moulds. So I measured out, I think it was I did 140 mils of resin.
Yep.
And then I put it into the resiners mixer on maximum speed.
Warp speed.
Warp speed, because, you know, I wanted it done and I was in a rush. I wasn't in a rush, really. I just like how fast it goes. It's pretty cool. I just like it.
So it's a bit like you sitting in front of the washing machine and watching it spin round.
It is pretty much. Yeah, there's something about it. So what I do is I take it off and then I put that little little heart. Yeah, it's like a little heart, not a little heart, a little pour key ring underneath, just to catch the drips.
Yep.
Because every
drip counts.
Every drip counts. So because I've mixed it on the mixer, I then use a silicone stirrer and I scrape the sides, scrape the bottom, do all of the thing.
Yeah, just make sure there's no uncured resin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then I pour it pretty slowly into the frog. So I do take as much time as I can. And then once it's in, I just let it settle for a minute or two. And then gently...
coax it into the toes.
I was going to say tease it into the toes.
Okay.
I do a little toe tease.
A toe tease.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know.
So this is what a toe tease looks like.
This is what a toe tease looks like.
Hmm.
Yeah. So if you've found this video looking for toe tease and you're disappointed, oh well.
Yeah.
Give us a like anyway.
Yeah. Not the tease of toes I was expecting.
So once I let it sit there for a good sort of couple of minutes, and you can see unfortunately you can't see it on the camera, but you can see the bubbles rising.
Yep.
And then this is the day later, so I've demolded the other one, and this is the one I'm going to put into the pressure pot.
Yeah, we're saving the reveals for the end.
Yeah, because otherwise you just see in the middle and you go, oh, I'm done now, and off you go.
Yeah.
And we like you to stay all the way to the end.
Yeah.
Because we do.
Yeah.
Because we like you.
Yep.
Anyway, I did the mixing. I mixed, again, 140 mils of craft resin.
Yep.
Put it on the mixer, same amount of time, maximum speed, got my silicone stirrer, and then stirred the sides, stirred the bottom, did all the thing.
Yep.
I'm not going to lie, I was not careful at all about how I stirred it, you know, as in the speed or any of that, because
it's going in here. Yeah.
So normally
normally
I would half pour it at my desk and then put it in and top it up. But because I was doing it for a video, I didn't want to move it in between. So I just put it into the pressure pot, and Kirk's very dodgy filming here.
Well,
is me pouring it. He just kept saying, I can't see. And I'm like,
you were like hogging the pot.
I was, but you know, it wasn't in its optimal position.
No,
because we were doing other things in other places.
Yeah, so it was on the floor, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. So again, I just pour it in, and then I do a little toe tease.
And then top it up. Now, in a pressure pot, once it's shrunk all the bubbles, the resin does actually shrink a bit.
Yeah, because it's taking every single bit.
Yes.
But it's not taking the air out, it's squishing the air down.
Yes.
So I wanted to make sure it was almost overflowing, but not completely.
Yeah.
Now, I don't add any alcohol spray, anything like that to it. I just pour it, and then Kirk puts the lid on. Now, the reason Kirk puts the lid on is because I cannot, try as I might, do the little things up tight enough.
No. And while I am tightening up the screws, I just want to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us and allowing us to do weird things like this.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you very much.
Yep. So they are really, really
so you
tight.
have to make sure that they are tight. Otherwise, once you put the air in there, bad things can happen.
If it's not done properly.
Yes.
So, and what would those bad things be?
It's basically a explosive device.
Okay. Yeah.
And it would, I have...
The pressure goes in, and the pressure would shoot the lid off, basically, isn't it?
And go through the roof of the house.
Yes, which I personally would rather not happen. So I only use the pressure pot when Kirk's around.
Yeah.
And he can tighten the screws.
Yes.
I also only empty the pressure pot when Kirk's around, so he can loosen the things too. Because I can't do it.
Yeah.
So this is the this is the sort of gauge that you get with a pressure pot. And do you know what
the difference is between a pressure pot gauge and a debubbler gauge?
So essentially, a pressure pot is the pressure that's going into the pot.
Yeah.
But
if you notice, the pressure pot gauge goes from left to right.
And the other one goes from right to left.
Goes from right to left.
Yeah. You didn't let me finish.
Okay.
Anyway, this is demould time. So, which one do you think this is? I'm not going to tell you.
What, me?
Yes.
I edited this.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. That's a very good point. Okay.
Okay, this is the first one.
Okay, so people at home, which one do you think this is? Do you think this is a pressure pot? Or do you think this is the...
I've just told them.
No, not pressure pot. Well, you shouldn't have done that. Spoilers.
Uh-huh.
But yes, this is the one that I poured first. And you can see it is, it's fairly clear, but you can still see bubbles within the legs.
And under the chin, I think,
and
as well.
Yeah, under the chin, you can see some as well. And now, these are areas within a frog that are renowned for...
Little bubble magnets.
The frog is a little bubble magnet.
Hold onto them.
So this is the pressure pot demould.
It is.
And I feel that you can already see how much different it is. I mean, there's not a bubble in there. And I really, really spent ages.
There are bubbles in there, but they're so small that you can't see them.
Oh, excuse me, people, while I just go away and get a wooden spoon.
Okay, why?
So I can beat you. So you can see there's none in the legs, there's none under there, there's none at all, and it is absolutely fantastic. Now, the problem is with pressure pots is they are super expensive, aren't they? Well, the pressure pot's not, it's the compressor bit that goes with it, but
it depends what you get. But
what you get. So that's just a straight pour, nothing else. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to compare it to a debubbler because ours broke.
Yep.
But we do have another one on the way.
Yep.
And when that comes, I will do one specifically exactly the same way in the debubbler, and then I'll compare all three of them. But for this one, the pressure pot's on the right, the standard's on the left.
Yep.
And that's the difference.
Yeah.
So
and the beauty of it is that it does remove the bubbles.
What it doesn't, it squishes them down.
Ah, well done.
So a pressure pot literally compresses all of the bubbles that they are so minute you cannot see them.
Yeah.
Whereas a vacuum chamber or like the debubblers, they suck the air out.
Yeah. So they remove the bubbles.
They remove the bubbles completely. But let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. We'll do a follow up. But on that note, if you have found this useful or helpful and you've liked the video, please do help us out massively by liking the video down below.
And while you're liking it, if you have any left and you feel we deserve it, give us a hype as well. And maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already.
Because it really does massively help us out.
It does.
Massively help us out.
Yes.
And hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.